Step by step.
Crayon steps. Adjective. Chant. Good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Wet. Wet, wet, wet. Wet, wet, wet. Dry. Dry, dry, dry. Dry, dry, dry. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It is good. It is good. It is bad. It is bad. It is wet. It is wet. It is dry. It is dry. It is yummy. It is yummy. It is yucky. It is yucky. It is clean. It is clean. It is dirty. It is dirty. It is not good. It is not good. It is not bad. It is not bad. It is not wet. It is not wet. It is not dry. It is not dry. It is not yummy. It is not yummy. It is not yucky. It is not yucky. It is not clean. It is not clean. It is not dirty. It is not dirty. They are good. They are good. They are bad. They are bad. They are wet. They are wet. They are dry. They are dry. They are yummy. They are yummy. They are yucky. They are yucky. They are clean. They are clean. They are dirty. They are dirty. They are not good. They are not good. They are not bad. They are not bad. They are not wet. They are not wet. They are not dry. They are not dry. They are not yummy. They are not yummy. They are not yucky. They are not yucky. They are not clean. They are not clean. They are not dirty. They are not dirty. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.